Hello, welcome. My name is Daniel Adeobo. In today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process in which you can make money online. Yes, through a process known as CPA marketing. Yes, CPA marketing. CPA means click per action. Yes, I'm going to show you a website that can make you money online, dollars actually online, whereby you can convert it to your currency. Probably if you're in Nigeria or any part of the world, you have something tangible to hold. Now, the first thing you're going to do to get started is to click on this subscribe button. Now, when you click on this subscribe button, to give you more opportunity to always be the first person to see any video I create on how to make money online or offline, or on any videos on any business. So click on this subscribe button and turn on the notification button. It's very important you do that. So now I'm going to show you the website you're going to be able to make up to thousands of dollars online. Yes, thousands of dollars online. Is very simple, and I will show you how you can actually send traffic to your link. Where people click on your link, you make money. So in the CPA, they'll give you a link. So when people click on the link, you're going to make money. So stick to the very end. When I show you the website, do not just go, because if you just go and go and do it your own, you won't be able to get it. Because I want to show you the easiest trick you can use to make money, or even though you're asleep, just make money easily. Okay, now as I've said, kindly subscribe. So the first thing you're going to do is to come to this website here, known as cpalead.com. So cpalead.com, as I've said earlier, it just involves you sending people to your link. People click on your link, they'll perform some little action, and you make your money. It depends on the link you have sent to them. So I want to show you how you're going to get the link and how you are going to be able to send people to the link. So let's get started. So first I want to do is click on sign up here. So when you click on sign up, it will give you access to be able to be part of this wonderful family of making money. As you can see, these are the reasons why you can join, because it has $1 minimum daily payer. So they pay daily, and maybe you receive $1, you can actually send it. So it's not as if you are limited to anything. And one other thing is that the membership is free, and you can get paid using PayPal, Payoneer, and any other one. But if you are in Nigeria, for instance, I don't have to create a PayPal account. So I have a video I have created on how you can actually create a PayPal account even as a Nigeria. A PayPal account, as this is the video here, so you can just come and watch it. So to give you easy access, you can create your own PayPal account. So let's get started. As I've said earlier, I don't want to waste your time. So just come to this place, sign up. When you sign up, you'll be brought to you're going to have a dashboard like this. Okay, let me refresh this. Okay, or better still, just press back. I've actually do some things on this. So let me just come back to the website. Alright, so this is what you got to a dashboard that look exactly like this. So now when you just scroll down, you see some action that have been performed. Like for example, this IOPT network security, the devices is going to be Android. I think this one it involves downloading, and when you actually download the application and do other things that you're going to do, you get 58 cents. Alright, but this is not what they're going to do. Just come straight to the offers here. So you're going to click on offer. It's very important to click on offer. From this offer, you'll be able to filter out what you want. So when you come to offer, as you can see, this is a typical offer, and it's only based on USA. So when you come down here, everything here is just USA. For example, when somebody make an offer, online coupon choose, it's a survey. So when somebody perform the survey, you will pay 58 cents, and it's a fast pay instantly. You receive it 58 cents. But I want us to filter it out. And you can just come to USA, or you can just come to all countries, depending on what you want. So let me leave it at USA here. You can change it if you want, anyone you want, but you can leave it as USA or all countries. Alright, so let me just come here and leave it as all countries. Then when I click on all countries, they are going to filter. So it's important you filter it. So this offer type is also important. So when I click on the offer type, it's going to give me other offer, as you can see. So just please select this one. Do not select trials and purchase, because you'll be able to make more money. So make sure that what you select is actually email submit and survey. I'm going to click on email submit and survey, and devices, all devices. So just filter that. The website itself is going to load and bring out offer. You can also click on this one. Do not list cap offer. So any offer that has been capped won't be listed for you. So then you see the website loading this way, and it will bring offer out for you based on what you have filtered out. Now when I go down here, you can see it's still showing USA. It's because the website is still loading. Okay, alright, as you can see presently, okay, there's not actually anyone that can take care of all countries. So let's leave it at the USA here. I'm just going to come back here and leave it as USA. Okay, then make it I do that, just come leave it at that. So you can also filter it to email submit and survey. I think that is one of the best way you can make money online. Email submit and survey. So just come and submit email, and then they do some survey. You're going to make your money. So here we are. Alright, let me just come down here. So here we are now. As you can see, this is an online coupon tool. So when somebody just come, everything here is survey. As you can see, survey. They just perform a little survey, very little. I'm going to show you I got to make money there. Surveys. When I just click on, let's say I want to do this. This one has more money. Take survey and get paid. So this one has about $1. So let's use this one have high money. This one to have high money. So let me just click on this one, take survey and get paid. Immediately you click on this one, take survey and get paid. It's going to load like this, and it's going to tell you some things you need to know. Like for example, some things you need to do and things that you do not need to do. Like for example, let's see, you can see only share people from this country. So only people in USA can actually take this survey, and it can perform on all devices. And the thing there that for you to make money, they must complete the survey. So it's very easy. All you have to do is just to click on this. So these are what I'm going to share with people. Alright, so when you share the survey, when people click on it and complete a survey, you're going to make your money. It's very easy. Just copy this. Now the most important part is you sending traffic to people from US. So when they click on it, they're going to make money. That is part that is very important. Now I'm going to show you the easiest way. Instead of you just going to Facebook and spam everywhere, I'm going to show you the easiest way. You can actually make people to just come to your link and click on it, and you make your money. They complete the survey and you make your money. So what I'm going to do is to come to a website known as Pico Worker. So Pico Worker, I've already created a video now. You can actually make money on Pico Worker. So when you come to a website like Pico Worker, for example, you are going to sign up. So I'm going to provide the link below. Just click on the link. You'll be brought here. You're going to sign up. So immediately you sign up, you can here post job. You can post job. But apparently, this is a fresh account. As you can see, the money there you do not have any money at all. You don't have any money here. So what you are going to do, immediately you click on the subscribe button. Of course, click on the subscribe button. So I'm going to put this link below in the description box. Just click on it and you'll be brought to where you are going to sign up with your email, and you'll be brought to this place. Now I'm going to post a job, but you don't have any money here. So to be able to post a job, just come down here and just perform little function like this. This one just like come to YouTube Watch, and it's international. Means everybody can perform it. Just click on YouTube Watch. Just watch a YouTube and like it. Then you do what they say you do. When you click on it, when you click on it, now you're able to see what the person that published this thing wants you to do, and you'll be paid 6 cents. So when you perform this one, like Twitter, like and retweet, you pay 10 cents. So just have enough money. If you perform all this thing within 5 hours, you have more than enough money to post your own job. So we immediately have enough money. Just click on post job. All this thing is free, absolutely free. You don't need to do anything at all. So when you click on post job now, because our CPA here is for people in USA, you have to select. Okay, let me come to Pico Worker. I have to select. Let me show that it is USA and Western, not just international. You get that? It's USA and Western. Then select what country you want to exclude. So if you want to exclude people, so I want to exclude people from all these. So I just only want the USA alone. USA. But if you have want your CPA to be international, you don't need to stress yourself. I will always advise you that make it international. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to leave it at USA. So when you make it international, you can just, when you come to Pico Worker, you just say international. You don't need to exclude any other country. But because I've already make it USA, I'm going to exclude that. I'm going to apply and go on next. Then what I want them to do, I want them to click and let's see, to complete a survey and offer. So this is what I want them to do. Complete a survey and offer. Very simple, and the question is just few. I'll say up to like 10, or probably let's say up to like 25 questions. Then you click on apply and go next. You're going to put your title here. So when I just come this place here and put this title here, I just put on this title. Just copy this title. You copy this title. You come to Pico Worker again and paste your title. I'm going to paste my title here. Take coffee and get paid. Yeah, you have to put the step that you want them to do here, step-by-step process. So when I come here, the step-by-step process. Let's see. For you to get more information, when you copy this, you can just come to your browser here and just oh, sorry. Let me go and get the link back. So I'm going to come back to CPA lead here and copy the link again. Then come to my browser and paste it and see what that is all about. So I'm going to Control V that and enter it. So it's going to load for me, and I'm going to see what the offer is all about. As you can see, it's just trying to make things go, make it go where it's directing to where this offer is. Okay, so let's see, wait for that. As that is loading, let me just come back to this so what that is special thing you're going to do, you can also tell them to click on the link here. I say click on the step 1, click on link, step 2 complete survey. You can put a step 1 and click on link step 2 complete survey. Then when you are through with that, just come here. If there's additional notes, you can just tell them that it is important they complete all survey, that if they don't complete all survey, they will not be paid. You can just write that here. It's very important to write that. Then you send them proof. So your proof can be a screenshot. You can just put here a screenshot of the complete. Okay, screenshot is not correct. It should be T. A screenshot of the complete survey. It's a survey, a screenshot of the complete survey. Just like that. So that like to pay a proof. So that's been done. All this one is optional. I can just leave that the way it is. Then you can just come here and click on next. So let me just complete everything here so that probably you do not deny me of going. So here I can just say click on the link. Click on the link. So when you say click on the link, you just come here and put your link. So okay, alright, it's because of the thing is USA. I think that's why the thing is like this, but this is where the thing has brought me to. Okay, I'm able to close this. Then the come my link. Remember that I've made it to be USA, so this link should only be going to people that are in USA. So that's why it's not open. So if I make international, I'll be able to have access to it. So I'm going to come back. Where am I? Okay, come back here. I'm going to put it here. Click on this link. Actually, you can shorten this link. This link is kind of long. You can shorten it. To shorten it, you can just come to website like Bit. Okay. When you come to website like Bit, let me see bit.ly.com, and you are going to be able to shorten your link. So when you shorten the link, you are going to send the link. That link is kind of long. You can leave it like that, so it's not as if it's going to hurt you, but it's kind of long. As you can see, this link is quite long. Although you can leave it if you want to, but you can come to big link here and be able to shorten it. Okay, it's loading. So when it's finished loading, just to save time, I won't be able to wait for it to finish loading. So when it's finished loading, you can just click on link shorten. You click on the link, and it's going to be able to shorten for you. So what I'm going to do is just click on this create. So immediately click on this create. Okay, that's finished loading. I'm going to click on this create and put my long link here. And when I put the long link here, I'm going to click on create. But I'm going to click for automatically. Just copy it here. Then I'm going to come back to Pico Worker. Go to that. Then go to view. Click on this link and complete survey. Okay, and complete survey. So when you click on link and complete survey, you can put other steps that you want to put there. So I'm just going to come down here and click on apply and go to next. So they say that select proof. Okay, so this is an error here. Where's the proof one? Okay, select proof. So a screenshot. So proof type. So I want screenshot proof. Okay, I have to select that. Then I'm going to click on next here. So when I click on next there, this is my estimated amount. So starter, you can actually change. I'm going to leave it as starter. Then the speed, how many people you want them to do. So the speed means okay, make it to be fast, this and that. Leave the speed as this. How many workers do you need to complete this survey? So now I can also reduce this worker. Let me say I want 10 people to complete the survey, and maximum POS, leave it as the one it is. Then how much do you want them to earn? I'm going to reduce this to like 10 cents. So when I reduce it to 10 cents, as you can see, it's calculating. So for people to actually 10 people, I'm going to pay $1.07. Then how much they are going to earn? This is actually much. You can just reduce it to like let's see, to like 0. Let's say 0.7. They'll earn 7 cents. It depends on how you want it. Depends on your money up there. Then that after clicking on that and that, you're going to click on apply and submit. Maybe you click on apply and submit, but because I don't have fund yet now, I'm not able to do that. So this one you can actually reduce the speed, even because you don't have enough money. You can speed to like 500. So all this is going to help you in reducing. So 500 it means that the speed of in which you are going to pay them back. So when somebody just before they actually make a purchase, you're going to pay them back, and the speed, let's leave it at the way it is 1000. The speed does not affect the purchase here. So you can reduce this money if you want people to make more. Probably you don't have enough to this 1 cent, $3, $1.03. So that is what I'm going to do. Just click on apply and you'll be able to publish this. Just go and see, people will come. See, within a very short period of time, people will be able to come. So if you don't have enough money, just perform small, just come to find job, perform some little job, and within few hours you get enough money to perform this. So another website you can go to do this is known as Rapid Worker. Okay, so Rapid Worker is very similar to Pickle Workers too. All you have to do in Rapid Worker is just to sign up and post job. People will also come to that are going to be able to click on it and go to make money. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have gotten value from this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much. My name is Danny Adeoboye. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.